How many questions?
As many as I...
Oh, good.
You're welcome. What makes a good bar?
For me, a good bar is 100% natural. And I mean it, 100% natural. No synthetic colors, no artificial fragrances, nothing that's made in a lab, only things that come from nature. That, to me, is the best kind of soap.
What is superfatted?
It's when you make your base recipe of soap with extra oil, meaning there's not enough lye to saponify all those little oil molecules. So when your finished bar is done, it has extra unsaponified oil in it. What does that mean? Hydration and moisture, non-drying. Good old glycerin, soap molecules, and oil. The natural way to moisturize dry skin.
Can I use your products on my sensitive skin?
While all of our handmade soaps are gentle and natural, for those with sensitive skin, we recommend our fragrance-free bar or our papaya bar because they don't contain stimulating essential oils. They're very gentle and nourishing.
What is the difference between essential oils and fragrance oils?
Good question. Essential oils come from plants. Fragrance oils come from a laboratory. It's that simple.
You use palm oil.
We choose not to use palm oil in our products. There's some controversy about whether or not it's sustainably farmed, so we just choose not to use it. We use cocoa butter instead.
What are some causes of dry skin?
The #1 cause of dry skin is commercial soaps. Did you know that they strip the glycerin out of a machined bar of soap and sell it separately at a higher profit? So when you're buying a bar of commercial soap, most likely triple milled from a big company, they've taken the glycerin out of it. And glycerin in soap is what gives it the hydrating properties. Glycerin is called a humectant. It draws moisture out of the air, and it's super important for nurturing your skin.
Done.
Is that it?
That's
Oh,
in one
good.
shot done.
All right.
Unless there's anything else that you would like.
Join us. Should have said, but hey.